So in order to do this freeze cloning, what are you going to do? You put your phone on a steady place. It should not be shaking. Somebody should not be holding the phone for you. If not, the video is not going to come out fine. Put your phone either on a tripod or you place it somewhere that is going to be steady. Then you make this type of video. A video where you are walking across the camera. You capture yourself walking. You can be performing any type of action, just like I did, or anything. You can go up, come down, do anything, but you can easily choose to also walk across the camera. So after doing that, this is a video I do. The first thing we are going to be doing now is to duplicate the main clip, this particular video. Tap on the video and you look for duplicate. That's to copy it. This is duplicate. Tap on duplicate. The clip becomes 2 clips. So this second clip that the duplicate one is what you are going to be bringing down as overlay. Search for overlay here when you tap on the video. This is overlay. Tap on the overlay and you long press on the overlay. Long press on it and you shift it. Long press on it and you shift to align with the first clip. So 2 of them, after they align, you are going to be removing the background of this overlay. Tap on the overlay and tap of remove BG. Auto remover. The background is being removed. You wait for it to mark good. Then you remove the background. The background is removed. So what are you now going to do now after the background is removed? You now look at the overlay, tap on the overlay and choose the one you want, the side you want to freeze. This is where I want to freeze. This particular point is where I want to make the first freeze. So you tap on it and you look for freeze. I look for freeze here. This is freeze. You freeze. Having frozen this particular side that you're frozen, you see that it's frozen now. Are you seeing that it's just frozen? Tap on this particular side, the right and the left side of the frozen part. Here is, tap on here and you delete the part that you don't need, leaving only the frozen part. Tap on this first small clip also and you also delete. This particular freeze, what are you going to do? You tap on it and look at this white edge here. You press on it and you elongate it to start from beginning to align with the first clip. So what are you now going to do? You play this video and shift this video a little. Understand? You use your hand and be shifting the video and search for the freeze part. When the clone meets the freeze, I don't know if you're understanding me, it's not going, immediately 2 of them meets. Try and get it right. When 2 of them meet, this is where you are going to be splitting. You split here. Split. And you remove the rest. You delete the rest. So it will be like this. It means the freeze. So let's repeat it again. We are going to be doing the same process, the same thing for all the freeze. Understand? All the clones are going to be frozen. So let's go and repeat. We tap on the main video and we duplicate. This is duplicate. It becomes 2. What are we going to do? The duplicate part, we are going to be bringing it down as overlay. This is overlay. We'll tap on overlay. It comes down. We are going to shift it. But this time around, while shifting it, we are going to drag it down. We are going to drag it down. We'll drag it down so that it will not be on the same line with the very first overlay. It will not give you 3 layers. 1, 2, and 3. So after dragging it down, just like we did the very first one, we are going to be removing the background. Tap on it and search for remove BG. This is remove BG. Tap on remove BG, tap of auto remover, and the background will be removed. After the background has finished removing, we are going to look for another part where we are going to freeze now. This is going to be the second clone. So after here, this is where we are going to be freezing. At this particular point. So this is where we are going to be freezing at this particular point. You tap on it, tap on the overlay, and you look for freeze, just like we did the first one. This is freeze. Tap on freeze, remove the ones that you don't need, the ones that are not frozen. This particular first part, you delete. The other part, you also delete. Tap on this frozen part, hold this white edge and align it to the beginning. So what are you going to do? You also search, you shift the video and search when the image meets the clone. This is where it is. Here at this particular point, we are going to split and we are going to delete the rest. So we have 2 clones already, 1 and 2. So we'll go for the third one. What are we still going to do again? We'll tap on the main video and we'll duplicate. This is duplicate. We'll duplicate it again. I hope you're understanding what we're doing. We're duplicating and freezing and leaving the clones. So after that, we are going to also bring it down as overlay. Where is overlay? Overlay. This is overlay. We'll bring it down as overlay. It comes down. We are going to long press on it, tap on it and hold it. You tap and hold. Then you bring it down to the third layer. You can always shift it. Immediately you tap and hold it, you are now in control of it. Tap and hold and bring it down as overlay. Bring it on the third one. The third overlay, giving you 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to look at this. Look at the place I want to freeze. This particular place that I'm jumping up. So what first thing we have to do is to remove the background, just like we did the previous 2. We'll tap on it and we'll remove BG. We'll apply auto remover for it to be removed. After the background has been removed, we are going to be freezing this particular part that we want to clone. We freeze. After freezing, of course, we know what we're going to. We'll tap on the first place and delete. Also go to the edge of, after the frozen one, we also delete. Tap on the frozen part and we hold this white edge and we align it to the beginning. After that, we'll go to the place we want to freeze. This part, we now go to where the image meets the clone. Just here, immediately it meets the clone. This is where you are going to be splitting. And you are going to also delete the rest. After that, we have three clones already. So look at it. So we'll repeat the same process in almost all of them. Let's just do one more. We'll tap on the main video, duplicate, bring down as overlay, When brought down as overlay, we are going to hold on it, tap on it, and we bring it down. In this particular instance, this is with the 4th layer. So it's now 4 layers. Tap on it. So as you can see, this is the main clip. 1 overlay, 2 overlay, 3 overlay, 4 overlay, according to how many you want to do it. Now, I want to do this particular one now. So we'll tap on it just like we did, and we are going to remove the BG. We'll remove BG. We'll remove BG. After removing BG, auto remover, we're here to remove the BG. The background has been removed. So what are we going to do? In this particular place, we are going to look for freeze. After freezing that part, we'll remove the very first part, just like we did the previous 3. We'll delete this first. Go to this particular one also and delete. After deleting, we also tap on it, hold the white edge and align it. All of them have to start from the beginning so that the frozen part will have to be showing from the very beginning. Then we'll look for where the image meets the clone. Just time it where the image meets the clone. Then we are going to split. After splitting, we'll remove the rest of the frozen image. So after doing all these things, we'll now have something like this. So you can do as many as possible. So this is what you will be left with after you finish and adding your sounds. You know how you are going to add your sounds. You go to audio and you go to sounds. Then you search for the sound that you want. Search for any sound. In this case, I used the camera click. Camera sound. You search for it here. So this is the one I used. This particular one. You see? So I took this sound and I put it in the places where the image meets the clone, and it gave me something like this.